Hello everyone, my name is Chelsea Strauss and I'm going to show you some document automation. The programs required today will be Microsoft Word and HotDocs. So first we start by opening Microsoft Word. Now I've already automated a document. I did an adoption consent form that I'm going to show you how to automate. It's already done, but I'm going to go through the steps that you should take if you want to automate a document. So you open up a document that you'd like to automate. Now if you see here, there are fields that are in blue. So those are fields that I have automated because when you go through and fill out the document, those fields are going to be able to be changed. Now if you're a little confused, let me show you what I mean by that. Also, look at the top of the Word document and you'll see HotDocs. So once HotDocs is installed on your computer, this should come up in your Microsoft Word. So you click on HotDocs because you're going to want to convert this document to HotDocs. So just for a preview, let me show you the test assemble. So this whole document is going to come up in a questionnaire form. So check it out. All of this information has been automated to come into a questionnaire. Now the point of this is so when somebody goes in and fills out these fields, at the end you can hit document preview and all of the information that was filled in will be replaced in this red text by information that was filled in by the client or the person filling out the form. So let me show you a little something. When you check out, again, the fields highlighted in blue, initially this whole document was just black text. And you're able to manipulate words that you'd like to be changed when somebody fills out the form. So if you highlight this, biological father, this initially just said biological father in black. You click on variable field because you'd like this part to be filled out. So you see where it says variable, I typed in biological father and then I typed in TE for text. So this just tells me when I'm looking at this to remember, oh, biological father in text. So that's just what you want to call it. If you'd like a number, you could call this part NU, date, DA, true false, TF, multiple choice, MC, and so on and so forth. So I made this biological father TE and then comes out in blue. So I did this with every portion that I wanted to be filled in. Now, I'll do a sample date example. So when you highlight this one, hit variable field, see that this says child date of birth DA. Then you can click format on the drop down and you can change the format. Now I picked this one, but you're really able to pick any format that you want. You hit OK. And you do that with all of the things that you want to be manipulated by the user. So again, we already clicked on test assemble, but let's run a test. So we have the adoption consent form that we'd like to fill out. I'm just going to make up some names here. So first, we have a section called biological parent information. What is the name of the biological mother? Let's call her Jane. What is the name of the biological father? Let's call him Steve. Child information. So this is, of course, the child that's going to be adopted. Let's call the child Harrison. He's a male. His date of birth, let's make up a date. 8/7/14. Now I typed that in manually, but you're able to go here. Oh, oops. You must enter a 4-digit year. I'm just testing you. So because I manipulated this to be a 4-digit year, I could either type in 2014 and it should be accepted, or you can click on the little calendar and find the date yourself. So see, I did it correctly this time, so it automatically went to 2014 August 7th. So you hit OK. And then it'll change into the format that I initially requested in the document. Adoptive parents information, where do the adoptive parents currently reside? Please provide the exact address. Let's make it 120 Tremont Street, Boston, Mass. Zip code 02114. What is the name of the adoptive father? Let's make it David. Adoptive mother, let's make it Lori. Signature and signing, location of the signing. Let's say it's at Suffolk Law School. Today's date, this is fun. Just click on the calendar and hit today. It'll automatically put that in for you. Biological father, signature, please print. So the biological father's name was Steve, I believe. Let's call him Steve Jones. Biological mother, let's call her Jane Jones. Jane Jones. Haha. We have a witness. I'll be the witness today. Chelsea Strauss. So then, go to end of interview. So now what happens is there are 0 unanswered questions, so it'll tell you if you missed anything. You click document preview, and look, everything that we filled out in the form has now been generated. And now you can print this form out. And that's the beauty of document automation.